Another week of football action took place this past weekend, and we are going to be unpacking everything that happened this past weekend. Orlando Pirates did the unthinkable and scored 6 goals in Bombela. Kaiser Chiefs have increased their lead when it comes to football because they've been scoring 1-0, and this time around they scored 2-0. Mamelodi Sundowns lost away, but they still made it to the semifinals. We are unpacking all of that today on Junior Kanye TV. My name is Nhlanhla Sitshele, and on my left I've got Junior Kanye. On the right I've got Michael Nkambule. Gents, how are you doing?
Enhlex sister kunjani?
Ni-grand winner?
Ngiright kakhulu.
Michael?
Inhlekelo
All right.
ngishapho wena.
Sharp. Okay, let's start with the Kaiser Chiefs game. Kaiser Chiefs was an action away with Magesi FC. You predicted that Kaiser Chiefs would win because Magesi is actually going through a lot of things right now, and it was visible on the pitch as well. I mean, Kaiser Chiefs extended a lead for the first time in a while, where they scored 2 goals as opposed to 1 goal. And Michael, that game, what did you make of that?
Nhlanhla into engingayisho manje Nhlanhla si happy for Chiefs ukuthi at least ithola positive results, but there's not much good like esingayikhuluma ngeKaizer Chiefs because ubonile nayo iMagesi ibile nama moment wayo ukuthi bengakora. So iChiefs manje is all about ukuthi bawine Nhlanhla baqualify for
The
iCAF
top
spot.
8.
balwele for iCAF Nhlanhla.
Mm-mm. So, Michael, how did you find that game? I mean, like, prior to that, we heard ama fans are complaining ukuthi coach makahambe. The same fans are now saying to the coaches must stay because nakhu bawinile. Kahle kahle kwenzakalani?
Nhlanhla ngike ngayisho ngathi uma unga-check-a Nhlanhla ama-supporter we-Chiefs man abantu aba-different. That's why ngithi i-club ekumele iwine because uyabazi labantu ngibonile nami kwamanye amaphuzu but manje sebafuna i-Real Madrid ne-Bayern Munich combine. So uyazi leya club mayiwina ngishilo na before ukuthi abekho abantu abadefend i-club yabo njengayo, but for mina ukuthi bagcine lama-coaches Nhlanhla it will be sad because na-next season basazoqhubeka ngalento babuye bakhale futhi because uwina kayi-2 doesn't guarantee ukuthi because manje it's all about building for the future.
Yeah.
It's not ukuthi uwine manje bese ujabule manje Nhlanhla yabo. I-Chiefs i-club enkulu Nhlanhla.
Iklabhu enkulu Michael, amaphutha ayenzeka impilo, and sometimes you give each other a chance. And don't you think ukuthi nama coach lawa anikezwe a chance until the end of the season?
No Nhlanhla already manje season vele seyihambile manje. I think it's basela nga-10 games manje. I think manje babanike i-chance njengoba ngisho manje babanike i-mandate ukuthi at least baqualify for i-Champions League. I think that's the only thing manje sele ukuthi bangayidlalela kwamanje Nhlanhla.
So basically, like Michael, it sounds as if like ngathi ugive up, uthi hayi, like as in, well, abadlali abayenze lokho abakwenzayo, like you're not really like, encouraged by the score. You're not, saying it's okay, mhlambe, it's a start, bazwile, kuyahlangana. You don't see any of that happening.
Nhlanhla iyadlala i-Chiefs njengoba ngisho they are getting positive results, but if you can check i-structure sabo Nhlanhla kuna-structure lapha ngathi kuvele nje kuyadlala nje Nhlanhla, you understand. Phela uma unga-check-a neMagesi nayo ibile nawo ama-moment wayo ukuthi whereby ukuthi i-Chiefs yenza ama-mistake amaningi bekumele ngabe babaphanishile babayekela, but kwamanje Nhlanhla njengoba ngisho i-Chiefs nayo manje kumele isole i-pride, kumele balethe i-experienced coach lapha ezokwazi ukuthi yendlile le situation.
Junior, you keep on saying ukuthi it's a spiritual problem. Michael says they should get a coach. Gents, what
Yeah.
would actually help Kaiser Chiefs?
Awusikeke kancane le spiritual which is true le ihlala ikhona. Le angeke ihambe. It's something that's gonna be there, but ngicela but le deep ungayideleli ikhona.
Yeah. All right,
Into
ngiyasikhuluma
engesiwahlazela. Yeah, le ngicela singayikhulumi le spiritual I said it last nama engisazoyisho khona, but going forward nje ngicela sibeke kancane esayidini, but it's there. Ngicela uyazi ihlala ikhona. Clicks. Congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs for winning 2 games in a row.
Yeah.
Yeah, sicela ukushaya izandla. It's not easy psychological. Those players, they are tremendous under pressure. They never been performing consistent. Kunama expectations as Kaizer Chiefs. Akusuku easy ukugqoka lela jersey, like I said. And well done to them. And also well done to these 2 coaches. So bashayela izandla for winning ama-game ayi-2. Yabo? But truly speaking, if I can be honest with you, Michael ukhuluma nge-structure. Kufana nendlu mozo yakha without a structure izowa if kunomoya omningi. Or if kunemvula ena ngama-ice, yabo? So if they win games, into engithusayo they might keep these coaches.
Okay. Why two?
Sengisho for next season.
Okay. So you
I'm
don't
not
want
talking
them
about
there. Okay.
because if you win, you get exposed. So win and my Chiefs started the season very well. Basically, number 2, ne? 1 or 2.
2.
And then everybody said yes, definitely Shogun and Tesbuya.
Yeah.
And then they come Chiefs, they lost first game, Yenet Bank, Kungutama defending champions. And then they won, I think, a game 1-0, I think 4 games in a row. And then they lost, I think, 5 or 4 in a row, and then beaten 3 by Pirates, exposed. So Lama win ugly.
Yeah.
Ugly getting hope, and you might think we're on the right track. And it makes people believe with their players, they are veteran players that they've been called by Hugo Bros national team. You understand that, Intlix? And the Chiefs number fans ukudlula wonke umuntu. And when they win, if you talk and say the team is not playing well, nobody will believe you, because everybody in South Africa bazokutshela ukuthi ayikho lento you-won. You understand? Abantu ababukubheka ukuthi ibhola, they don't look at ibhola inside. You understand? And you can't falter them. Kunomunye umuntu unezinto azenzayo uyayithanda iclub, grow up umndeni wakhe uthanda i-Chiefs and stuff. So congratulations, goodbye. We need 2 games, but there's a lot that need to be fixed there. I mean, my case disjointed. We talk about my case that how many coaches that they were chased in this season. Matuka was there, Owen Takama was there, Siema Ulo, not Siema, this guy Papizo Chani was there once. So how many coaches they've changed in my case? A team that graduated as well. So also the players, the profile players, individual that they have. It's akunamuntu ongathi ungampoint to this one bekangabanceda those guys, yabo. I mean, it's inexperienced team, honestly. And ikuphi kule league le. And they had moments against Kaizer Chiefs whereby they can score. And leon ti mele kuthusa imagesi le. I mean, they never won the game since last year, October, November, khona lapho. Imagesi. So bebazodla kanjani Kaizer Chiefs. That's why Chiefs good game benginika. You understand? But truly speaking, how they play Chiefs still, ngifuna was the identity mina of the team, because each team has style of play, the identity.
Like uMichael ashilo ukuthi ngathi omunye ujimela le, omunye ujimela le. Engathi abajimi
Mina
bonke.
ngithi ngathi ama-trial. And it sounds sour, but it's a sad truth. So the identity ngichaza ukuthi this week indlala so,
Yeah.
next week indlala so, the other week indlala so. So how you wanna win games? Nenye into lineup yabo, I saw Modi coming on the bench, from the stand or the bench. Angibonanga nasebenchini ngoba sebenchini mela ngene. Khuluma last week. He was not there, and then he come and play. So come and play almost, I think 90 minutes if not mistaken. What has it done to end the place? Khuluma ngesenior player la. Ebalithenge Samuel ngagraduate anga for national ku development.
Development yabo, yeah.
Compliment entwana abafana from development yabo, she's domfana umfundo came. Le mfana, I think into ekumele ayenze le. Just watch himself. Kumele azifunde ukuzibukela umfundo. Makaqeda ukudlala, watch yourself, boy, and see what you have done. Because last week into ayenzile ucame and assist.
Yeah.
I think uphethe technique into ekumele rely kule akana speed, une disadvantage. He attacking on a speed, but unengqondo. And he was wrong developed, but he's got a talent. So into ekumele ahlale kuyo umfundo i basic simple. Ngoba uyakwazi ukudecide, une decision making right umfundo. He can't take players on because akana speed. Yabo akusumuntu quick foot, you understand, but una vision ukuthi ngoba nadi sikuyenzile, yabo, it's a P2 serini imthola ngekho ready. He received the ball from other side, and then waleya le ball last week uleyile from this guy lepo finish. And omunye umuntu expect ukuthi umfundo uzona this week ureceive kamnandi, but the boy walela userin unfortunately was not ready. He missed but a chance there. Last week ba winning ngalelo goal. So na this week ube na moment. This week game is scored. Yabo, nenye into ekumele ayibheke kule game futhi ukutholakala eboxing. Le ball it's a cross and then miss kick, but waba na this thing, hang on mfana wahlala eboxing and wabeka emehlo ebholweni, he scored. So uku-score sheet I mean, well done to him. I think he's quite confident with that. And Duba naye wenze enye into is not consistent ke ngiyakhala kakhulu yabo. And ngifuna ukwazi best position kaDuba. Enye into naye kumele I think you need to give coaches a direction by playing with mina ngikude ku striker, not by telling them. You must when they play him as a striker because with the DCB simbona as a striker must score goals finish. Ngoba ku wing yes they play him not consistency. Akusumuntu okwazi ukulanda abantu decision making akine kumshaya umfana. He's got speed. Kule goal mangambheka into ayenze grand. Wenze enye into. Liepo and then good receive and then mamdlala lo mfana waphambana ne defend endleleni with speed yabo une speed into kumele ayisebenzise good finish but chipezeze naye bakushala ume khona mfethu as an experienced goalkeeper but joba ngisho Chiefs I think he deserve win kule game compared to Makezi honestly but they deserve to win honestly because Makezi how they play disjointed khona la umuntu waphuma i1 ngibheka i-defense bambile bonke I think by4 kusela umuntu e1 uvale like the offside trap i-structure sabo nabo is dead. I mean Ellen Freeze i-game nayo imshile. I love Ellen Freeze usangicoachile ku-Platinum Stars. Why if you bring Ellen Freeze kunama-coach that they are relevant like I'm saying ithatha uyayiluza nhlanhla even as a player if you can stay 2 years ungathashi ibhola noma ulazi or boyingwenya uzoyiluza ithasha. So Ellen Freeze uyalazi ibhola but when did he last coach in Betway Premiership? Yabo I mean le game le ifuna uhlale wenze research. Yabona abo Peter we had nabo Roland they not sleeping. And then they are still on the game working high profile job. So Ellen Freeze I think le game iphinde yamshiya kancane. I can be honest with you. And mangimpeka nje kule game team yakhe be disjointed. There was no way they can beat the Chiefs. Yes babe nama chance. And yangaki Chiefs nayo into kumele ibheka ama coach. If iMagesi ya behind the defense yenu and then ngoba kunebhola le header eliphume phambi kwepadi. Angazi ngiba manhlex. It's a goal against 3 defenders at Kaizer Chiefs. How they defend Mikel umuntu away from Ipalu we leader we captain international player. You foul that person halfway center. Exciting. You get the yellow card. He was lucky not to get the red card, Pella, to tell the truth. Especially with this guy with the Ulituli. Second half, we're behind. I'm shot center again. As a leader, Mopuma Lapas eliminated and then what. But none other than that, well done. Congratulations. Our results, I think it matters most. But true now, Bengmelang by identify by signing contract already with the coach that's saying, look, beginning of the season, you're starting pre-season.
So that
not
that
that holy season.
Yes.
Yeah. Come and watch the team. Come and watch the team play. We're not going to announce you so that these coaches can.
So bofuna kube secret yabo bazi ukuthi loyo coach lo is a
Yes, Chiefs is
or should they like announce that coach and then kube ukuthi okay next season this is a person that's going to
yes,
take
true.
over.
I'm thinking either way they do. They sign a coach now. You come and watch Kaizer Chiefs game. You assemble the squad, players that they need or it doesn't need.
All right. To come and observe the Betway Premiership holistically.
Yes.
Ukuthi highlighting out which team can he source that
You
from.
understand?
Yeah.
And read the situation, the fans as well, or with the environment as a way.
But you speak about something a lot, which is the philosophy. How will that person then be able to understand the philosophy of Kaizer Chiefs if Kaizer Chiefs at the moment does not really have a philosophy?
It doesn't have Ubrake himself, saying Ubrake technical team Chiefs. Melangi outside.
Okay.
You need a person, South African, who understand the no matter be a coach any team. A guy who earns or any to be coach of Kaizer Chiefs. A coach that will be arrogant to question Kaizer Chiefs' wrong decision, never was special management. A coach will be so arrogant to tell them and say, not Ninkani, knitting winning bring 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, about Pep, they bring players that they need because some of the suit soft, but they spend money. Man City, he bought so many high profile players. And then kumthatha isikhathi win Champions League, even win league. Yabo?
But that's maybe another thing that you guys don't have. Like, aniphi ama-coach isikhathi.
Njoba ngisho uNhleki angithi uyangibuza sengikhulumela iKaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
And then
But iKaizer Chiefs
you
yiyo
bring
ngapha.
former players who did very well with the team. Bona bo Lawrence Thabo Moki, they know player. I mean uyazi le nto in and out yokudlala. You bring goalkeeper coach abanjengabo Brian. No, Brian has done a lot. You understand for Kaizer Chiefs. Even this guy, Gemini Ndo, approaches Abu Kune, Abu Brian Bam release. Bring him. And in Tlantla, you bring Abu Dr. Kumalo, you bring former players that they did very well for you and who were so loyal for you. So that the boardroom yako, even a football mindset. You understand? Ngekho zoba nema ego and say, I lo asimfuni because wasenza 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not gonna help. And then ipo matches I can tell, give it time. Hayi ngiyakutshela ngisashona manje. Pitso if you can go there. Singayidini. Pitso if you go there they give a budget. Ngoba uzoyifuna vele angeke abaleke uPitso. A lot of players will let go. But their project give it to 3 years. Their project yodla abantu going forward in 3 years.
Should they go with that?
If they go with
Okay. So, okay.
Pitso Msima.
Uthi bazomthatha man.
Hey. Bazomthatha.
Abana manje
Yeah.
abalando bani wase kuphi away. Lento esazoqhubeka yabona.
The problem is
So,
one.
mara,
ukuthi
yeah,
bazofuna ukumcontrol but angeke bafuna ukuzwa ngayo uPitso. That's the problem mina engizoyibona. And uPitso you know is very arrogant. That's why ngisho ngithi because iChiefs vele idinga icoach efana nayo ucoach Pitso Nhlanhla. At the end of the
okay.
day udinga umuntu naye vele ozokwazi ukuthi abaquestione, ozokwazi ukuthi abademanda ukuthi nifuna success mara nifuna ukukhipha imali. Ekugcineni you must invest in Nhlanhla. Because njengoba akabeka sasho the high profile coaches when they go to these big teams hayi ukuthi bafike bathole ama-players they buy their own players beza ne-material yabo Nhlanhla. Uyanderstand ukuthi bazokhona ukuthi bayenzeni abantu abazoyazi ifilosofi ukuthi okay lo muntu ufunani nani uyanderstand. So it's not easy ukuthi nawe vele ungaba the best coach but noma ungafika bathi usebenza ngala ma-player at the end of the day you must bring your own players.
So ke you are saying bangenizwa kahle ukuthi inkinga eKaizer Chiefs hayi ukuthi ama-player awekho akhona but certain ones must be let go and then you must bring on a new coach. So basically you're saying it's a coaching problem. Asiyeke lokho okunye sikhuluma ngale issue at hand.
Players mina ngangifihla.
No Nhlanhla it's not balance yabo iChiefs yona iyadlala manje there's no structure but ekugcineni nawo mongathi uyachecka nawo iChiefs akusi-club ukuthi Nhlanhla is not a small team Nhlanhla i-club ekumele ibe nama-high profile players because phela kukumanje i-team efana ne-Chiefs they don't have anyone ku-national team.
Okay, but you guys, maniyodlalela iChiefs, the both of you, ne? You were developed by the very Kaizer Chiefs, right? And you made your names big and you became big players. Nidlalela Kaizer Chiefs. So right now, don't you think maybe I'm a player good development? It's time ukuthi babapushele phezulu. Rather than getting big names, because now uti they must spend, right? For them to spend, that also misses the point, development, because you want to develop players, ukuthi baze bazodlala, right? But now when again, uti no, kona imali kumele ikhishwe, you spend so that you've got big names that are playing for it.
You like it or not. When you bring Pitso, you need a coach like Ufaru with development, head of development. But they cannot develop. They cannot push those players from development now and go in and compete at Kaizer Chiefs level now. They don't never find about good development. I watched them with TTC. I don't think they are ready to compete. Go back to a premiership now.
What makes them not ready?
Whoever that is nurturing that talent, that's calling talent scouting. Some of them they are talented, but I don't think they are nurtured properly. Yabo, I think in the Jumsegel. When did last Kaizer Chiefs took out the player Fana no Michael Nsambe or I think Kulmengai u Shuffle. I'm gonna mention
Okay.
a player like Elfana Nai Ukuni. Nishugu development. A player that the list goes on. Abu Scapi, you understand? And exciting players that go Kuma junior ranks and go to Bafana. Being star player. Ngoba scar product Kaizer Chiefs, even if you went to Swallows, but it's a development product as Chiefs. Where Abu Tabumoki, they come from development as well. And it's a product, so the thing is it proper scouting.
Right.
That's number one.
Okay.
But you go first team, for now they need to buy people that will go there and sustain. And then while giving
So
Farouk
Batenga, senior players that are going to help these ones that are being developed to balance the team.
yes, ukuthi bhekani la kuzenricheda, you need to be extraordinary.
Yeah.
You understand? Akusukudlala. Thina nje obusho sibuza question soyiphendula. Thina Nhlanhla ayikabi. We used to play with the first team Farouk every Wednesday. It was a program.
When you're in the development
Yes,
phase.
we still on the first team program. There was Skakani, myself, Putis Tole, Cyril Zuma, Sheikh Sasando, Jamil Koivin Sosibo. The list goes on. So players that do at national team under 17, under 20, national team under 20, it's good development. That's Faruki, Begui, you cannot go to Nyodlala go first team, Ningadala go to, and a Beanga recommend go national, Bestala my friend, and then Steve Combella call us. We understand. And I'm going to approach Cremeti every Wednesday we play first team. So Mushin, when he was there, he said Nkelu Junior and Noban and come. Mafika da trailer. Not to say you're going to be signed. I think the strategy they use now, Umfana Siambona ku DDC, he come and he sign and play.
Okay.
And because of, truly speaking, for the fact we do Pabi star sabo manje, kune question mark with Chiefs. There's no star players at Kaizer Chiefs like Emmanuel Skarango Besenfit. Nkhuluma, I'll be honest, even now shuffle. Ali players of even not have like we don't have those. It choose it was scary in Ethanelini. It choose it noma. Yes, ngiyawa respect ama-play Pirates abo gift abo cheese ngibabonile nabutso, but they can tell you now besibahlonipha, they respected Chiefs a lot now because each player mayigqoka lela cheese bengagqoka noma ubani nhlanhla ngitshela boy ena, and if you're not good enough you let go. Because they were not relying that man Chiefs beninyo bezokutshela ukuthi you can sign anyone anyway. So I think many bayilungisa inhlanhla just to answer you bengifuna nje sikumarinate leyo.
All right. So, what you're saying is Kaizer Chiefs ishota ngaleyo material leyo and some sort of continuity. Michael, would you agree if I asked you, Pirates, does it have like whereby every shoes that all the players abaza ku Pirates bayakwazi ukuthi bazifile, according to what you're saying, ukuthi bekunabo Thabo Moki, kunabo Skarango Bese, kunabo Shaful. Do you think Pirates has got it right as far as their players are concerned? Ukuthi makuhamba lo uHappy Tshele uyakwazi ukungena ecathuleni za the player that was there before. Vilakazi, the middle field, we had Andile Jali that could also play like Benedict Vilakazi. Do you agree or do you disagree with Pirates has that continuity going on for them or it doesn't?
No, Nhlanhla, into engingayisho na i-Pirates nami ungayibheka icishe nayo yabuya kule similar situation Nhlanhla, because football doesn't rely on ukuthi because you have money you must just sign players.
Yeah.
Wakala last all I mentioned into you know when you sign people like inside good technical team yakho, let's say the scouts, the so-called coaches, about developer these kids, you must have the best in terms of those people. I think i-Pirates manje they must really they've hired abantu abanelihlo for the talent. We understand. And then the Pirates have a smart ngani in order nokuthi bambele talent. Babonile ukuthi okay, if we don't have time to develop these kids, there's a cup that we can do that is Pirates Cup. Kulaba bamba khona labafana bonke if you can check.
But
You
Kaizer
understand?
Chiefs has the Toyota Cup, doesn't it?
For juniors.
Oh, not for juniors.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm talking about for the juniors, the Pirates Cup under 21. That's where they capture all these talented players on Atlantic, you understand? And then in the Pirates, if you can check the balance, the Pirates is getting a quality player Atlantic. They can spend money on buying players. You understand? It makes easy to bring the balance between the transition right between the development and the first team. Because now you cannot say Jenge Chiefs kule situation ekiso and then we take up umfundo ufuna ukuthi kube yibo abazofuna ukuthi baphathe Chiefs. No, izobabulala because that team when you lose, ama support angeke adlale nabo. They're going to destroy these kids. So you need experienced players abazo carry team. These kids they will come bazoncedisa nabo. Team will bayibona ukuthi ya function. But manje njengamanje lando umntana ona 19 uzomfaka lapha uSoweto Derby Pirates ikushaye 3. Do you think bazothini izokubulala lento le? That's why bebasho bathi Soweto Derby. It's a will break you, will make you. So mongekho strong izokubulala lento le, you understand? So it needs the balance between the two because even now ungayiletha a good coach, but the coach also must work around abantu abakwazi ukuthi bazomnceda in terms of scouting. Usho ukuthi okay mina ngifuna iplayer liso siphume scout and bring that player. That's why we find the best coaches in the world. Bahamba ne-team yabo. Yeah. Because he knows ukuthi lo angeke angisabotage. He'll go and look for the best players for interest of the team. Because now even these former players nabo banenye problem nabanayo towards these coaches because banokubaqasha and then bafuna ukubabhekana the coaches because bafuna lo msebenzi into sabotage nayo iyedlala indima kulana coaches kakhulu.
And then there's also another thing, but we need to move on from this topic. Yoguti, some former players, if bayabaleta, there's also that thing, Yoguti, they do not want them to reach a certain amount of caps, ama games, abazowadlala, angadluli our the legend. Kube na this thing ukuthi this player cannot be bigger than me. That is also some of the things that people are raising. Ukuthi, abanye abantu mabaletha the former players benchmark themselves. Ukuthi if ngizocoacha le team le, Michael cannot reach 80 caps because I played 80 caps for this particular team. Apparently, some former players ukuthi bangabalethi ngale ndlela enina ngicabanga ukuthi kumele balethwe ngayo, they're not coming in because of those reasons. Because then they start saying, this boy cannot break my record. This boy cannot do better than me because that is something that I did in my time. So do you guys still feel, Guti, it's necessary to get the former players on board?
You mean
Yes
as
or no?
coaches or just
No,
to
even
the
if
technical-
on a technical directorship or anything like that. Because abanye baba nekwalo ukuthi le ntwana le izongidlula and do better than I
Okay,
did.
because we bring people who want to work there. Yeah,
Okay.
you check, you double check. You see, you bring people. It doesn't take isikhathi inhlanhla ukumbona umuntu ofuna ukuspana nomuntu ozele lapha ama-ego. We understand. Yeah, it doesn't take time. You see, as I'm saying, Sundowns awukho umuzi onganayinkinga. Kunezinye izinto engeke ukhona ukukhuluma ngazo. Kunezinto ekumele uzi-overlook, you just address them and go and move on. Njengoba ngisho akunamuzi onganayinkinga. But ubheke le technical team elapha kuMamelodi Sundowns ngikhuluma ngabo, now surprise is there. You understand? Peggy Club is back to, you understand? And you bring people who want to work, Tandla.
Yeah.
You judge based on their work. If they're not gonna do a job, you call him and then step aside to bring other people. I think in Tandla, that's
Yo, guys, okay.
Yeah.
There's a lot that we can talk about as far as this is concerned. Mamelodi Sundowns went away to go and play, and they qualified, even though they lost in their game. What do you think contributed to their loss? Okay, sesiyadlula fast, guys. Nekoba, the date is weg.
No, man, that in terms of issue Caruso, I think Caruso na not to experience in Sundowns. I think na gonna experience a champion.
Okay.
Yeah, because I think the way na manager and Cornella be careful on this thing, because you know each and every thing. Once you play at home, you need to go, and once you go away, maybe we show you mind you results are shooting. You have to go every time the game. You have to kill the game because you see sometimes considering how many minutes into the game, it make it difficult for them good badlane. Even officials ngaphandle kutanjana again. So I think uCaruso na ufundile kulento. Now he's going to the semi-final against the Experience. I think melazi futhi it's worse. Kulabantu bangale yabazi banjani abafuni nokudliwa, so I think uzobe ufundile kule yamanje Clicks.
Yeah, Nhlanhla, honestly speaking, mina the way Sundowns idlala ngakhona, we am very disappointed, honestly, yabo. Based on the performance yalama game abadlalile, yeah, I understand, and it looks like they were doing the right things. Yabona, kuwonke ama-department. I'm talking about the coach and the players respond very well. And truly speaking, the way badlala ngakhona away, you can't play open game that way when you're playing away. Nyazi Sundowns, that's how they play.
Yeah, but it's been a journey like that.
Yeah.
With their Champions League.
Yeah.
They've not had like a victorious journey.
But they must learn.
They've had-
Upitso kunama-game yet certain games beka approach ngawo. Ngendlela kusho there's games beka there was a approach in different games. Kune like beka ne manner ukuthi this yabona le game ngi approach this way. You understand? This game I'm approaching it this way. You understand? And I think ubashanga leyo nto Pitso abantu ababhayi. You understand? You need to respect your opponent yakho. Ngiyazi ukuthi the best way to defend is to keep the ball and attack. I understand. But truly speaking, kuleya game Sundowns to concede early. The way ba concede ngakhona futhi it's disappointing. You understand? And no coach nje njengoba ngisho right to Michael. Kuleya game him and his players nama players ngiyabala. Body language man bathatha izinto light. I know it was hot, but their team it looked like bese scary. Yabo phela we as South African team Sundowns is representing South Africa. Everyone that is in South Africa we are supporting Sundowns sonke. But how they play yesterday honestly bese ithusa kakhulu because kunamabhola whereby phambi kwepali ubona ukuthi anything can happen. Yabo because even the penalty they could give. You understand? And credit to defense of Sundowns, especially towards second half, I think better from Sundowns. Better organization, the body language, they created chances, but why wanting to react masendliwa. I mean 3 goals yobo Michael asho. I-disadvantage i-Champions League, it's home and away. Yeah, and sometimes iqale home iqale kahle ishaye 3.
Yeah.
Going away, you've got nothing to lose. Asisho ukuthi sometimes bana this tendency yoba ngisho. If you go away, we play as if we play like high. And leyo nto leyo man njengoba ngisho, they need to learn. uRulane very best coach, but bemshaya i-Champions League. Yabona ile nto open game. Asisho ukuthi you need to read the situation.
Yeah.
One of the best coach talent, young talented coach, but bemshaya now read this situation because we want to play open game le with that. One mistake these guys bayikhomba emlotheni bafaka inhloko nala kumele afake inyawo khona wena ufaka inyawo, and it's a penalty. Now the game plan has changed. So sometimes they say change the game plan, now they end up taking out ama attackers, putting a lot of defenders, they got the red card. You're frustrated. That's one disappointing game. But the Sundowns in Texas strong kakhulu. The tournament they win. One of the best team in in Africa, in South Africa. The team mfethu baphethe ama players labantu, then the depth ngikhuluma nge-squad sabo, position one, they've got strong players Nhlanhla, not in a bad way, and even a technical team bashaya izandla njengoba ngisho, bring those guys, former players on board. Sometimes strong video win a tournament Champions League.
All right, Michael. Yadle Mnyama idlale ne-TS Galaxy in Mbombela, and they scored 6 goals. The last time they scored the 6 goals was, or more than 6 goals rather, was when they were playing against Marumo Gallants in this very season. What do you think contributed to that loss? There's too many controversies that are going around, Junior, to say that game looks off. That game looked like it was a cooked game. We're not going to discuss that, but what do you make of that game?
Mina Nhlanhla, no matter abantu bangakhuluma bathini, but ngihlala ngisho Pirates is the best team in terms of i-attack. Ayikho i-team ecreate ama-chances njenge-Pirates. Bengihlala ngisho le nto ukuthi their problem nebaletha down, it's all about the finishing, because if ungachecka kwamanye ama-games wabo lawa badlale khona ama-draw, if ungachecka ama-chances abawacreatile, it's very too much. I think
Because Bokala Veloti, like, they don't score.
they don't score.
And they will get punished because they don't score.
Exactly,
And
Nhlanhla.
they scored an avalanche of goals.
I think
So-
I think njengoba bakore so Nhlanhla, I think mabangayibamba so baqhubeke so Nhlanhla, because bona in terms of football badlala ibhola elimnandi Nhlanhla, creating those chances bayafika lapha bebangakori, but naki izolo bakwazile ukuthi bathole lama chances. Ushilo no Raylan nabo kube ba disappointed against iSwelele, they manage ukuthi
bounce
ba
back.
practice ama finish, so I'm happy for them ukuthi bakwazile ukuthi bakora ama goals. Yeah.
All right, Junior, what do you make of that game? In no less than a minute.
Pirates create umlando.
Yeah.
Per season usha almost 20 goals. Pele almost 20 goals. Yeah, or 15 goals in 2 games. Some teams they don't need ama game I2 or korama goal, even I6, 7. They struggle. No, ngisho ama game some teams.
Yeah.
They struggle to score 10 goals in 5 games.
Yes. Yeah. 5, not 2.
Two, yes.
Yeah.
Pirates create umlando, and yeah, no, mfethi Pirates pretty cream nami, and a fit relevant mfocking psychological, the body, physique. It's Pirates is about on song. If the boy is on song, Pirates is about on song. If the young star in South Africa, I think this is how people need to learn. Maskhuluma ngama young stars, but criticize. Mawuthi young star, it develop properly, ngapi gifted. Bheka lo mfana. It didn't need time. Lo mfana akathatha ngesikhathi. I mean, makenza so for Pirates, national team coach number 10, ustruggle kanjani. Because you can't go and pick umfana kumageso Ramazulu, umfana ku Pirates enza so. The boy ucabanga udlula ama senior players. How many senior players Nhlanhla lo mfana, we talk about the boy first hat trick.
Yeah.
Kude age akuyo.
Yeah.
Inhlex siyaxolisa. So the boy, I think, won the Pirates game yesterday. Win the Pirates game. Kule age akuyo. Also, decision making from the boy. I Pirates ngishayela izandla izolo mfethu. Joba Schumacher. Everything bebayenza spot on mfethu. Ngikhuluma if they attack, end up on the goal. Mina ngeke, yes, obvious goalkeeper can falter. Sibale ukuthi okay, naye wayenza 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 kunama question, but I mean, Orlando Pirates magadi season bedlala so. Exciting team and
Yes.
very exciting to watch. So, I mean, Pirates mfithu there was no question mark for me. And even this season mayicala mina vele bengi-expect ukuthi i-game ne-game Pirates. Ngoba bane-cream fit. They've got players, exciting, skillful. Yabona identity South Africa. Pirates went back to the identity.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So this brings the title race more interesting once again.
Yeah.
We're not going to get in there. Yes or no? Are you still saying Mamelodi Sundowns is going to take the league?
Mina
Yes
ngathi-
or no?
ngithe ibhale phansi Sundowns ayikho igepe bazodliwa manje kubhethwe i-premiership and iPirates isazowadropa ya
Michael, yes or no? Does Pirates still have what it takes to win the league?
Amabhakaniya amuzomnyama.
Yebo noma cha?
Yebo, ayahamba amabhakaniya.
Azoyithatha i-league.
Azoyithatha.
All right. And this is it, unfortunately, because of time constraints. We have to leave it here. Kodwa-ke, Bafana Bafana is in action this coming Friday as well as on Tuesday. We are supporting them fast, quick, in a hurry.
badlala konjena ni
Badlala ne
Pan-
Panama.
Panama.
yes wasilanda boPanama
Uqalile. Michael kuyowina bani?
Hayi bafana izowina. So
why bangadlali 11v11 abachitha bangaspin ama-expense less expense balanda iPanama
Balandi
No,
Panama,
Bafana-
so that I they're getting ready for
Preparation
the
World
World
Cup.
Cup. Yes,
I
absolutely.
remember.
Yeah.
no they
Because I
Bafana
wanted to ask, yabo,
Bafana is going to win but
it's going to win.
why preparing iPanama
Mele ba preparing on. Which team would you
did you see
say?
Brazil i-prepare idlala
Ngiphi
na
igama le team? Ngiphi igama le
Sansa
team?
ngithi Brazil they're going to play France they're going to play now it's France Croatia
Mhm.
they're going to play Egypt
Yeah,
which is a preparation for World Cup
sure. When
Not-
which
yeah,
teams would you want Bafana to be playing with to prepare for the World Cup? 3 names, 3 countries.
hayi ngizobala nje only mhlambe one lo
Ngicela 3.
angithi iNigeria
Nawe ucabange 3 yakho.
yeah
Khuluma.
ya iZimbabwe sinike problem ake bayilande na iZimbabwe
None futhi.
singalande se-Europe kuzoba nejayi iZimbabwe they've got isinike iproblem ingana nothing to lose
All right.
yeah
iZimbabwe?
nhlanhla ngizobale ngoba manje kuzoba ngathi ngibafake khoneni
Mara ngiyacela
but
ke.
just ukuthi izowina Bafana against iPanama ngicela ukungasho lamalo ngoba mina truly speaking uYuko Bros utashiya boChina nje athathele umfana esikhukhuni iyangicaka nokuthi athatha boReiners angababizi I mean that's why ngasho mina last time bacabanga ukuthi coach mhlambe anyway we speak our mind man we've got nothing to lose and asikweleti umuntu for explanation but you respect people's opinion
For sure.
so uYuko Bros now nama ego wakhe uChina now uzombiza for AFCON do you think that player will come and do the job for you umdrope manje it's a question ubiza lo mfana esikhukhuni
Yeah.
uChina as we speak now is a contender of we are no Ronwen but compete for a league
Right.
now you drop Ronwen if Vital you're preparing for a World Cup doesn't make sense and Reiners amongst the top goal scorer ebetwe premiership you're dropping Reiners and then angisiyi anginajive nomshishi come from a long injury
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then you bring him Thembi Nkosi Lodge whereby his feet scoring doesn't make sense coach and it's ngendlela enza ngayo nje I think uGrant Kekana has dropped as well Sibisi there as well yeah and Sibisi Paris doing well but Sibisi is for me gune question mark for Sibisi bring
So you
Grant
would
he's
have
playing
got
Champions
Grant,
League man
yeah, yeah.
He's playing Champions League than Sibisi uSibisi yes is doing well for Orlando but unama blunder there you understand and I mean coach ezinye izinto azenzayo that's why ngithi mhlambe this thing ukuthi ayuko Bros yena une this thing ukuthi is proving a point sometimes as a coach ngoba ngifuna sikhulume ngayo inhlanhla but ngiyaxolisa ukuthatha isikhathi sakho but it's very important these players also ungamangali ngeAFCON going to World Cup so at the Reiners come vele uzobabiza no chain those players the question is mawadlalisa or wabeke benchini coming second half or waqala azokunika leyo nto ifunayo na because abonile wadoubt so coaches they don't understand with psychology you killing players yeah
The motivation that you talk about with senior players, Mshishi could be the person Oiletayo to these boys
Is it
and
not
motivate
experience?
them. No, but remember, angithi mina ngitshela what
Or
like
some people.
this is
Yes,
how people
opinion,
are feeling.
yeah,
ne?
yeah.
Ukuthi no, but Umshishi is more of a
Motivator
a
to these
motivator
kids, yes.
to them. You understand? As a senior player, as an experienced player on top of that.
yeah.
So he will bring in that balance. Maybe that's why he was
Yazi
selected,
Nhlanhla-
and then Uloch was not.
Nhlanhla is very influential that boy now
Oh,
Thembi
Lodge.
Nkosi-Lodge. We're not comparing players here.
Sharp.
Thembi Nkosi-Lodge, almost that guy has done a lot for South African football and even for himself. The guy has done well in his career nje yakhe. So obvious, if you say about respect to Mshishi, they respect Mshishi because of his career.
Yes.
Journey, but Lodge even himself, don't take it light in fact. The guy is playing a more competitive. Nkhuluma udlala naku-champion, went to Club World Cup, he proved himself against Man City. So what makes you think ukuthi angeke aze inspire abafana balaphayana? So la West Part angeke ba-inspire phela. Lodge will add a value. If he goes there, there will be nervous, angeke kube ne-nervousness from Lodge, and he's injury free. Now, obviously, you will want to prove a point, which is mina ngifuna ngibona akumelanga aze prove a point. He has proved himself in South African football. Lodge mfethu bekazoyinceda i-country. Honestly ngiyakutshela. Somehow ule mfana bekazoyinceda i-country because Mshishi akadlali. Themba Zwane is not playing. Sometimes mangena ungena 10 minutes to manage a game. 5 minutes. Ubuya ku-injury esikhathi eside, ubuya ku-injury Mshishi. So why playing him? I understand, and then mamthatha mise ku-technical team if bazoyibeka ngaleyo ndlela abamise ku-technical team.
Ngiyazoxoxa because lapha serious ndanga because ku-World Cup uzofuna ama-player azocompete angeke ukuthi wonke ama-player ufuna ukuthi wonke umuntu abe ready.
Yeah.
Even iphakathi uyaqala wazi ukuthi I'm ready for it.
Yeah.
Ngeke ulinde ukuthi wena uzoba ready ukuthi njalo nizongena ezesala.
Now Ancelotti ushiye uthi uNeymar
Yeah.
mabambuza wathi physique yakhe, I don't think he's ready. He's fit enough. Yes, ngiyaniza ubuya kwinjari lo muntu akahlali. He call abo Ryan. Babo Bowman Moms. You understand? So players that are fit doing well, play them. So right to Michael I personal lo mfana. Yaka Thembi Nkosi-Lodge I personal. I personal then ukuthi siyamcela umuntu omdala ngithi is a leader. Angeke ube ubaba and then ube nenkinga nomntanakho. You need to guide the child. Finish. Akambize babambe itiye kuphi go for babambe Skype meeting Zoom and say point eswazi angiphathe kahle. I'm going to bring you based on your performance. And ngicela mawufika la you just do your job. Finish.
That's so sad, eh? But anyway, uthi sizowina bafana. Now uthi sizowina.
Yeah, ayizozwinela.
Cela score.
Ayizoyina ngamakhulu mhlamba ayi2. 2-3, yeah. 2-3.
Uzokora bani so?
Funa
ukuyibhala phansi.
No, they will win. Angeke ngisho ukuthi bani yokora, but they will win 2-3, yeah.
They'll win?
2-0.
Oh,
or
or 3-0.
yeah.
Oh, okay. Awufuna ukujaba guys score fanda. Awuzingeke. Phela. All right, guys. That is it, unfortunately, what we have for you this week. We will be back next week unpacking how Bafana Bafana plays because they are in action on Friday, the 27th, out in Moses Mabhida, and they're playing in Cape Town on the 30th of March. So, yeah, let's look out for that, and then we'll unpack that. Whether he's going to be right in saying experience ka Lodge will be needed, or mhlambe the boys will step up and do the job. We don't know. But next week we'll be back and talk about that. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and commenting on the content. This was the Junior TV Kanye. This was the Junior Kanye TV, brought to you by World Sports Betting. #WSB. #Bet with the best. Thank you, Siyabonga Kafela.